Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. You are here again on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12. I am the host, who is Tara Wells. Today's video is going to be an Audi and home bargains haul. So I've kind of mixed the two together because I only got a few items from Audi, but I thought they're quite interesting to show you. Before we get into this video, I'm just going to go through all the stuff just in case you are new here or that you know how YouTube works. I'm just going to let you know. The first thing is, if you like the video, lots and lots, then please give it a massive thumbs up because it always helps me out. It helps me out to know what content you like. I've seen that you do like these little hauls a lot. I'm trying to do them as much as I can. Yeah, if you like it, then give it a thumbs up. Like I said, if you're new here, then you are more than welcome to join our little love family and join us on this journey, on my YouTube journey, on ours. If you join every video and like every video, if you want to join, you can hit the subscribe button. That will subscribe you to tazwells12. And then the notification button will notify you when I've done a upload, and you can say it straight off the back. It will notify you on any device that you're connected to your YouTube to. On my main page, if you could also check out, please, my Instagram. That is a clickable button as well. Check that out and follow me on there too. I think that you want to see the stuff that I've got. So we are going to go into the Audi and home bargains haul. Last thing, this video is not sponsored by any of these brands. All out my own money. We will get on to the haul now. The first place we're going to start with is Audi. In Audi, I go to quite a lot, to be fair. I do quite a bit of my shopping in there. I love Audi and I love their special buys sort of section. You can get very good stuff for a very good price. Some of it's a bit over the top, but most of it is really good. So I go mostly there for their stuff. But we got some bargains in there. This first one is this. This was a bargain price. So this is, if you've not seen it, it's saying that it's new, but it's not quite new. It's been out for a little while now. So this is the pink stuff from Star Drops. It's the white, the Miracle Laundry Oxy Powder Stain Remover, tough on stains, gentle on fabrics, and for white. And this actually smells really good. It smells like Chewits, the fruit salad ones. I'm not even kidding, it generally smells like that. It smells so good. And in this pot you get 1 kg, which I think is really good. That will last a good while. I actually picked 2 of these up because they were at the price of £1.99 each, which I thought was quite good for £4. So I've got 2 kg for £4, which I thought was really good, and they're normally priced at about £2.50. So I've saved about £1. I know that doesn't make a difference, but sometimes it does when you bulk buy, and they had it on for a discount price, so I thought that was good to pick up. So I picked 2 of them up because they will come in very handy for that. The next item I got from Audi, and is the last of this little bit from Audi, is this. And I thought this was really good as a Christmas present. Like, Audi do have some really random stuff in it, but I thought, oh, I know someone that likes llamas. This is great. And I've just noticed on the back there is actually a recipe for chocolate chip cookies. So that's really helpful as well. So I'll go through this. This is from the Kirkland House. This is a spatula and cookie cutter. And it says recipe included, never saw that. But this stuff, kitchen stuff, is really good and decent, and it lasts. I've got quite a bit of this stuff and it lasts. Here you've got this little design of the llamas, which I thought was quite cute. Then you get a little cutter. I got this one in like a bronzy colour. You can either get them in silvers or this bronzy, but I thought this was quite a nice, better colour. This, you couldn't really see the silver. Then you get a spatula which says no drama llama, with a little llama on the top, and there's llamas on the back. This feels really thick and decent, really good. And like I said, on the back you get a recipe too, which I thought was quite sweet actually. It's quite good. I didn't realise that, so I might have to tell the person I give it to there is a recipe on the back in case I want to use it. But this was the price of £2.99, which I thought was quite a nice price for a little gift. I like baking and they like llamas. The last place I'm going to do now, Home Bargains. In HOMEBARGAINS, I got a few Christmas presents in there, which I was really happy with. I got them before, seriously, I thought everyone was going to get them, but there will be a time where it'll go very slow and no one will buy anything, and they'll keep it all until December when they get paid at the end of November. So I thought it might be best to just grab some now and then do the last bit of our shopping when me and Neil have had a discussion of what we're going to give people. Because obviously I've got a few gifts for some people and some people I haven't. We're going to have to discuss that, but that's between me and him. But I got some things while I was there that I kind of wrote down in the meantime. We kind of share the Christmas presents. It's just a little bit easier like that. So that's the fact. We're going to go on to the Christmas present first. We will do that now. The first of the Christmas presents I've got is these. I thought these are really cute. These are really nice. So they're just one pack of socks. They're men's size 8 to 11, so they're very good sizing, and they are called the Alphabet Socks one pack. These were $1.49, which I thought was quite a good decent amount of money for one pair of socks. Some people might be like, that's a bit expensive, but I think personalised stuff like this I quite like, and I think it's worth buying. I don't think that's too extortionate. If it was like a £5, then I would have been like, yes, no, that's not happening. I got these in the letter S. They didn't have a lot of the socks, and they had different like sort of colouring. So I think they had green, blue, red and orange. I think they might have had some others, but I can't remember. But these are in a sort of design on the back. So they've got a green S, and then they've got red, which is fine. Thought just to get as a little present, I thought they were nice. The cotton ridge socks, I did actually want to get a pair of these for Neil, but like I said, there was very limited on the letters. Couldn't get him them, so that was a bit gutting. But I got these for someone else, so that was alright. Another Christmas present I got was these. I know someone absolutely loved these, and I think these were really good for their price. So these are the York Fruit, an assessment of fruit flavoured jellies, and there is 200 grams in here. They go up to September 2021, so they've got such a long date on them. Really good. You get in there cherry, strawberry, raspberry, mandarin, lime and lemon, so that's good. They let you know what sort of flavours you can get in there on the back here. These were at a price of $1.49, which I thought was really nice. They're already in a box, they're already ready to go. Nice shape for wrapping, best shapes, and they are really good for the price. This is going to be a little bit hard to show you, but I will try and show you my best. So the next item is, and it's also a Christmas present. Wow, yeah, it's massive. Can you see? Like, this looks so nice. It was funny enough because when we were looking at these, there was a woman, she was like, I'm so glad you found them because I wanted one of them and they were sold out on the website. And I was like, well, I've just helped you out. This is what it is. It's a massive long hot water bottle. It's in this grey fur, and this looks so soft. I was tempted to get one of these for myself because that looks so soft. I'm going to be gutted if this is really nice. This is the Winter Wonderland long hot water bottle. Body warming long hot water bottle, helps comfort aches and pains, and it's this faux fur. It is just fabulous. I just think this is so nice. This was quite expensive. It was about $9.99, which I think is a little bit overpriced for what it is. It could have been about £7, £8, £7 probably. You know what, if this fur is really soft as much as it looks like, then maybe it is definitely worth it. But I was so tempted to get myself one of these because I do love the grey one. And they also had these in like a white, like a pure white, which look really nice too. So boring item, but this is some gravy granules. So this is from Golden Fry. This is original gravy granules in chicken flavour, and this was at the price of 79p for 300 grams, which I think is really good. We got this because we get it for the farm cats. We go and feed them. We mix their food with this gravy to sort of give them a bit of more moisture and water into their food. But yeah, we do this out of the kindness of our heart, and yeah, that's for them. I saw these on the shelf and my mum pointed them out one other time and I was just like not interested, but now I was like, oh, they look really nice actually. So these are them. These were at the price of 89 pence, so I will go through what they are. They are the Mackies of Scotland, toasted marshmallow, flavours, toffee coated popcorn, and they come in this design, so they're especially for Christmas, but they look really good, and you get 170 grams in here. I'm going to try these out and see what they're like. I looked in the Christmas bits in the home range. They done some lovely bits too, but what I picked up was these. These are just little felt reindeers, so they're in this duck egg blue, which I think is so in this Christmas. I think it's really in. I went for the silver, so it's got silver little hoofs and silver antlers. I think this colour's really in this time, and I love the silver matched with it. And then I also got, so I got 4 of these. I also got 4 of the same sort of one, but grey. I love grey at the moment, so that was mixed with the silver, and I thought that was really, really nice. So that was lovely too. And they were, I got 4 of them as well. They were all 89 pence, which I thought was really good for each of them. They're so soft, so nice, and really, really cute. I actually saw the next item on someone's Instagram. I think it was Home Bargains Instagram, but they like tagged it on the stories. I thought, wow, like the price for this, I was like, how did they do it? Seriously, it must be really cheap. But I thought, you know what, I'm gonna go back to my childhood and try and get one of them. And I actually found them. There was literally like 3. It was not many at all, so it's this item. How cute is this? This was at the price of $1.99. I thought, you know what, just go through it. I've got a proper Tamagotchi, actually. This is really, really like telling you everything. I have got a proper Tamagotchi. I've had it a little while. It's old. I've had it for ages. I thought I'd keep it because they're basically still going. I think it's broke. So I thought, you know what? Let's try this one. This has got so many things. So this is called a pixel pet. There's 32 pets to choose from, pocket size. It's got a little key ring thing, but it's fallen down. It tells you how to do it. And then there's from like, there's literally 32 like things that you can go for, like pets. I'm just intrigued with this so much. So I am gonna open this once we have stopped filming today. But this was $1.99. I think even for a little kid or for an adult, this would be a good little technology thing to get you through another lockdown. And the last item of this haul is this. I actually saw someone advertise this and I thought it was so good. I thought, you know what, I'll just get one this year, and then if they're really, really good, we can get another one another year, because I have so many baubles. It is unreal. So I'll just bring it closer, you can see. The Knoll holds up to 64 baubles, decoration storybooks, easy to assemble, keeps decorations protected and tidied. It's zip up, it's see-through. This was at the price of $3.99. So I think that's really good. They did have one for 80 baubles, but that's a really long box. I said to my mum, well, the best thing is to do is just get a little one. So we got a little one each to try it, and then obviously we like this. They're going to do them another year. They're always going to be, someone is going to be wanting these every single year. We thought we'd try one. They're really good. We'll get another one for the next year. And that was the last item. This has come to the end, the Aldi and Home Bargains haul. I hope you liked this. If you have, then please give it a thumbs up to tell me that you like it, because you like these hauls. I've noticed a lot, I get a lot of views on these, so please do give it a thumbs up. So if you'd like to join the Love family, then please subscribe to my channel, which is tazwells12. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button, because that'll be notified when a new video has come on. And also, please can you check out my little Instagram account and give me a follow on there. This video is not sponsored by Home Bargains. I have bought all this out of my own money, and these videos are to advise you and show you some good little nifty things. That is everything from me. Please keep safe, please keep smiling, and I will all see you soon. Bye.